What's going on, my tapped out auto fans? TikTok fans. I'm freezing. Yeah. Threw a big old tarp over this, because it won't fit in here. And we're ripping the head off of it. I have just checked, looked, and stuff like that, and the water's not circulating and stuff like that. So yes, this thing supposedly just had a new water pump and timing belt put on it. But as y'all seen, and if y'all watch my YouTube videos, link in bio, y'all noticed that I was talking about the distributor being maxed all the way retarded for this thing to run. So whoever did the timing belt did not do it right, because you should have some adjustment in your distributor and you have none. I mean, it's got to be all the way maxed out, and actually it could go a little bit past that just to get this damn thing to run right. So I know the timing belt's not done right, so might as well go ahead and do that in the water pump. And this thing has overheated probably at least 10 times. So I'm not going to put a water pump in it, timing belt, and all that bullshit in this fucking thing. And then I got to do it all over again when the damn head gasket blows. But I'd have done so many tests and stuff like that to it and everything. And I'm more than positive that's got a blowed head gasket also. Like I fucking told the kids and stuff like that, because they asked me and stuff. They jump in this fucking thing when it's, below zero outside, cold as a motherfucker, and they just started up, put it in gear and go. Well, if the antifreeze and stuff like that, if it gets so cold that the antifreeze freezes, then it could have frozen the water pump, and them just starting it up and going instead of letting it warm up. It could have just broke that propeller straight off, instead of, sitting there letting that shit crunch up a little bit and stuff like that and circulate through the engine and thaw out, is what I'm saying. But they didn't do that. So I'm just about here. I got most of the bolts back here taken off, and I'm just getting this pain in the ass exhaust right now, manifold off, and then I'm just going to cut the timing belt, just rip the head off so it can go to the machine shop, and hopefully it's not cracked. Hopefully the block is not cracked. But that's what I'm doing now, guys. Freezing my damn ass off. Later.